Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be the last video of this Notes app series. In today's video, we are going to see what we built and we are going to push all code to the GitHub. So let's preview our Notes app. So let's run our server npm run dev. I have run the command. Let's open the Chrome and see how is our Notes app is looking like. Let's refresh localhost 3000. Now we will see login page or sign up page. Let me wait. Okay, I think I need to log out now. So I will show from the beginning. On the starting, you will see like this. Log in to your account, or if you don't have account, then you are going to register. Let's register. Email is going to be I will add intentionally which I have already registered test at gmail.com just for the to show the error. How we will get error? Now you can see user already exists. You can see the error. Now let's. Okay, your battery is done. Wait a minute. Okay. Now I will add new email. So let's add test2 at gmail.com. Now let's wrote password and confirm password differently. Now you can see password didn't match. Yep, password do not match. Let's sign up properly. 123. It is going to be 123. Password is going to be. Now when we press register, then login will open. Now we are going to write our email test2 at gmail.com and password is going to be 123. Now you can see we have logged in. Let's create new note. Press new note. Then we will see the dialog. It will say create new note and add title and content to create a note. So let's add MST message to subs. Please, please support and subscribe to my CH channel now and like the video. That you must do now. Let's say save. Then our note will create. When we press the note, then our new dialog will open. You can see now. It will say, give the message and sorry him title and it is going to be the content. Message to subs is going to be title and this is going to be the no, content. Let's try big one. Let's write tell me about Next.js. Now let's copy paste this. Copy. Now create new note about Next.js. Let's add here. Now you can save. Now you can see when the text is large, then automatically scroll will come. You can scroll now up and down. When we click, then the dialog will open about Next.js and it is going to be the content which we have added. This is very basic version of Notes app. Then we will have wait a minute. Then we will have delete and edit. So you can see here when we press three dots, then we will have edit and delete. Let's try to delete this about Notes app. Delete. It will ask for the confirmation. Are you sure you want to delete this note? We will need to press OK if we need to delete or cancel if we don't want to. Press OK. Then you can see that note will delete in here also in database also. Now let's try to edit this. I think that let's create another one and let's edit that. Note, wait. About Next.js. Now I will add this. Now let's press edit. Now you can see edit note, update title and content. Let's try to add title about Next.js in English. Let's try to save this. Now you can see it will add Next.js when the no title is longer. Then it will cut down the extra part. Let's zoom it out. Now you can see when the screen is small, then we will have two nodes, two columns in the grid. When we press, now you can see about Next.js in English, then you can see the content. That's it, our features of this Notes app. When we press logout, then it will log it out and we will have login page and register page. Until registration, we will don't show the navbar and you can't create the notes and you can't see others notes also. So that's it. Let's push this to the GitHub. So let's clear the terminal and let's add git add dot. Now I am going to git commit -m almost if I am almost finish. Let's run git push origin main. What? Ah, okay, I have spelling mistake. So let's git push origin main. Let's push to the GitHub repo. You can also clone it and show for the portfolio and projects. Let's push it. Yep. Let's open in GitHub. So let's go to GitHub. In GitHub, you can see our where notes app YouTube. Yep. Here you can see this is all the code for our notes app. You can clone it and you can use it. You can see the commits also. I have made only 6 commits, which we have pushed down. Now it will show 1 minute ago, and we started this series 1 week ago. We have total 9 episodes. This is going to be the last one. So I hope you guys enjoyed this series, and let me know in the comment which project should I build next. So see you in the next video.